Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun look using SugarPill's new Fun Size 2 mini color palette. This palette is so cute and this is what the palette looks like on the inside. On my lids, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer as my base. The first color I'm going to grab is called Grind. This color is such a pretty like mossy green color. So I'm going to take this color first. I'm going to take this color Grind on a Morphe M514 brush. I'm going to start by placing this color in my crease here. I'm also going to blend it upwards into my brow, creating like this little curved shape here. Next, I'm going to take this color called Button Mash. For this color, I'm going to be using the same Morphe M514 brush to apply this. And I'm going to just kind of start right near my lash line, and I'm going to blend this color up into the color Grind. Next, I'm going to take this MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow called Trompe, and it's just like a nice little off-white cream color, and I'm going to use this to blend out the green a little bit more. To do that, I'm going to take my Morphe R37 brush. I'm going to add this right to the edges of this side, just on like the top corner here where I most likely am not going to add a different color here just because it is kind of high up. And I'm also going to add this on the other side here. Next, I'm going to take this color called Elixir. I'm going to take this color Elixir on a new Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to place this color right next to the greens and just blend this blue into the greens here. Next, I'm going to take this color called Final Boss. I'm going to take this color on the same Morphe M514 brush as the last color. I'm going to place this color right next to the blue. I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to place it too far out, because I am going to smoke it out, but I don't want to smoke it out too far. So I'm just going to place it next to this blue and then start blending it into the blue and then blending it out farther this way. Next, I'm going to grab this color again using the same brush, and I'm going to just go along my brow bone with this color to kind of blur the blues and the purples together. And now I'm going to go back with the blue just to bring it back to life because it did get lost in the middle of these two colors. So I'm just going to pop it back in here so it's nicely seen. Next, I'm going to take more of that Anastasia eye primer, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques domed shadow brush to apply this. I'm going to be putting this in the front of my eye, and I'm just going to kind of refresh this area in the front and kind of create like a little soft cut crease moment. And now I'm going to take this yellow color called Power Up. I'm gonna take this on my BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and I'm gonna just apply this yellow color here right next to the greens. And now I'm gonna go back with the greens a little bit. So I'm gonna take that first color called Grind, which is the lighter green, and I'm gonna take it and kind of blend it into the yellow here at the top and along the sides, just so that the green isn't lost with that yellow there. And then I'm going to go in with that darker green Button Mash and kind of refresh it at the bottom here as well and blend it up. Next, I'm going to do the bottom section. So I'm going to start with this color called Double Jump. I'm going to take Double Jump on a number 27 brush by Sephora, and I'm going to place this color right underneath here, about halfway underneath my eye, and I'm going to kind of blend it up into the purple here. Next, I'm going to go back in with the purple and just kind of like bring it back to life because it kind of got lost. And next I'm going to take this color called Critical Hit, and I'm going to put this right along the light pink here underneath, just to kind of deepen up that light pink a little bit with this color. And Critical Hit is such a pretty color. I love this color. Next, I'm going to take this color called Loading. I'm going to take this color Loading on a Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Tapered All Over Shadow Brush, number 27. And I'm going to put this right in the front here. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to tell if it's there. Well, actually, you can kind of see it underneath there. So yeah, I'm going to put this right in the front next to the pink. And now I'm going to deepen that a little bit with this color called Player 2. Using the same brush to apply this, I'm going to put this right underneath here as well. Now I'm going to take my MAC Cosmetics palette. This is a custom palette. I made it myself. I picked up all the colors myself. So if you're wondering like what MAC palette is that, it's the one where you can customize and like build your own palette. But I'm going to take this white eyeshadow called Gesso from MAC. I'm going to apply this color Gesso with my Morphe R37 brush. And I'm just going to put this color in my inner corner here, blending it into the yellow and blending it into that orange. Next, I'm going to be using this NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. I'm going to put this in my waterline here. Next, I'm going to use Beauty Creations liquid eyeliner from their Pastel Please collection, and this is the color called White Cloud. And what I'm going to do is basically kind of create a inner corner like wing. But I'm going to try to connect it to the waterline color as well. And now I'm also going to do that on the other side, creating like a nice little baby wing. And I'm going to start right where my waterline starts, so it kind of looks like it's kind of coming through here. Like that. And I'm going to kind of stop the liner right there because I actually want to use a black liner for the rest. And the reason why I want to use black is because I just feel like the white is just gonna make it look so just like too much. Like to like stand out, it's gonna stand out too much. So I just want to use black because I feel like it'll kind of tone the white down but still look like really cool and like a really nice like graphic moment. So I'm gonna just kind of follow along here like I normally would with the black. And by the way, sorry, this is the Beauty Creations liquid liner, the Pastel Please collection, color Cloud 9. And I'm just gonna use this to line my lid. So I'm gonna try to blend these two together as much as possible. So I'm going to go back with that white, and I'm just going to take like a this is a Morphe times Coca-Cola brush, and it's really small, so I'm just going to kind of try to mix them together while they're wet. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I added some lashes. These are the Tatti lashes in the style called, there's like literally no style name on this box. There's like no style name at all on this box. That's really weird. Oh wait. Okay, I see TL9. TL9, whatever that means. I guess that's the style name. But yeah, I'm wearing the Tatti lashes today. I feel like they look really, really pretty with this look. I really like how this came out. I'm so happy about it. It looks very similar to one of the looks that I've done for Pride Month. But just, you know, a little twist. I kind of moved around the colors. But yeah, I really like how it turned out. I love the graphic liner. I feel like I need to play with graphic liners more. Like, for sure. Like, I've gone too long without liners at this point. But yeah, I really love how this came out. This palette is so nice. Everything blended so pretty on the eye. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!